Hello everyone, welcome again. In this lecture, we're gonna discuss pad left and pad right methods. Let's begin with the pad left. Here's the syntax of the pad left method. This method is used to pad a string with a specified character or a white space on the left side to reach a desired total width. This method is commonly used for formatting purposes, such as aligning text. In this example, the string hello is padded with 5 dashes on the left side to achieve a total width of 10 characters. In this case, the result would be like this. Okay, when the pad left method is used without specifying a character, the string is padded with white spaces on the left side. In this case, the string hello is padded with 5 white spaces. Alright, let's move on to the next method, which is the pad right. This is the syntax of the pad right method. This method is quite similar to the pad left method. The key difference is that it pads the string on the right side. For instance, if we pass 10 as the total width parameter and hash as the padding char, the resulting string would be hello followed by 5 hash characters. Now, let's dive into VS Code and show you these methods in action. First, let's declare a string variable with the value hello. Next, we invoke the pad left method on this string with different total widths. For example, 2, 5, 7, and 10. Let's display the resulting padded strings in the terminal. Now run the application and see the result. As you can see, when using a total width of 2 and 5, no dash characters are added. This is because the length of the string value is already 5. However, when we use a total width of 7 and 10, we see the addition of 2 and 5 dash characters respectively on the left side of the string. Okay, now let's invoke these pad left methods without specifying any character. Run the application and see what happens. As you can see, we obtain a similar result, except that instead of dashes, 2 and 5 white spaces are added to the left side of the string. Alright, now let's change the string value to John. Next, let's switch from using the pad left method to the pad right method, and add an asterisk character as a padding char for each method. Now run the application to see the result. Since the string John consists of 4 characters, in the first call, no asterisk character is added to the right side of the string. However, when using total width values of 5, 7, and 10, the method appends 1, 3, and 6 asterisk characters respectively to the right side of the string. Okay, done. See you soon with another lecture.